Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to compare sales and cost centers using dashboard in TallyPrime. In your business, you might have created cost centers for different zones, north and south, and would want to gauge the sales in all the zones. Let's see how to do it. Press Alt+G. Type or select dashboard and press enter. Press Alt+A to add a tile. Type or select cost center trend and press enter. Select the cost center, for instance, North Zone, and press enter. Add tiles to view cost center trends of the other zones for which cost centers are created. Press Alt+A. Type or select cost center trend and press enter. Select South Zone and press enter. In a similar way, you might have created cost centers for different departments in your business or different sales teams and might want to check and compare the cost center trend. And if you own a publishing company and have different departments for books, newspapers, and magazines created cost centers, then you can easily add tiles of each cost center and analyze your business by comparing. As you saw, dashboard enables you to compare your cost centers on a single interface, and that too in a matter of few seconds. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.